and I can see the light of day. But I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. Sorry for the late kind of stream. I've just been freaking tired. Holy crap. That's what I get for not sleeping like a normal person should. I only sleep like, what, 3 hours? But anyway, so I just decided to, sleep another hour just because I just don't want to be trading, like, actually, like, I could trade tired because, like, I can always concentrate, but if it gets to a certain point where, like, the tired is actually affecting my trading style and, like, my trading, like, 100%, where, like, I just don't want to, like, place, like, I don't know, like, just do something stupid, then I just try to, get some rest, because then I shouldn't be really, like, on the charts if I'm really that tired. But anyways, I'm fine now. Gonna drink some coffee right now. Hopefully you guys are having a freaking awesome day. I just love coffee so much. Holy crap. Fuck. Alright, so we're looking at just euros on Forex today. Today in Forex is just not looking really good, unfortunately. We got, some divergence here, some bearish divergence. But no, we can't really do anything, bro. Like, Forex has just not been treating me kindly. But if we go right over here, okay, so Euro USD, we got kind of like maybe a long bias off the 50 EMA. Could be a possibly D1 entry. Today's been a strange week for just trading in general. Even though I passed the FTMO challenge. Did I pass the FTMO challenge this week? I think I did. Yeah, I think I did, yeah. It's just been a strange week for trading. Wait, was it today or was it last week? No, it was last week. Right? Yeah, it was last week when I passed the FTMO. Bro, I don't even know. Every day seems the same to me. Anyways. I just don't see anything significant. Maybe from this point as it's rising right over here. But it just did not touch the 850, so it's not really an edge kind of a trade. If it doesn't touch it, we can try looking at the 15-minute. I mean the 5-minute, but nothing really significant there. So we'll see if we make a lower high. If we make a lower high, like, it just decreases the probability of this trade. So you can't really do anything about it, to be honest. Like, it is what it is. You just gotta do what you gotta do. Liquid 50 is in the way and falling, so this could be another lower high. Lower high right over here. Let's see. Yeah, so that could be a lower high. We could look for maybe an A1 entry. That's what we just kind of just made a shift bar right over here, but not an actual A1 entry. It's just so clustered. But I think EU could continue going higher. We're about so close to ADR too, which is unfortunate. But it is what it is. This is the only idea that I'm looking at for today. Yeah. It is what it is. And for Nasdaq 100, now this is just sketchy. You know, so if we go right over here, it's just I don't see anything significant. Like it's been ranging the last couple of 2 days, just ranging in this kind of this pivot and right over here, just nothing really significant, as you can see. So it's definitely been kind of a strange trading week for Nasdaq and for Forex. Just, you know, yesterday was really choppy. Monday we did see an ADR to ADR drop. Finally, we're just consolidating right over here. So I'm not seeing a lot of decision, like a lot of decisive moves. Just choppiness. Do I like trading with the FTMO? Yeah, for sure. I love trading FTMO with FTMO under the prop firm money. It's just, you know, if you really want to know like all the negatives, check out my negative video with FTMO. I like listed some stuff. I mean, it's just my honest opinion. Like if people want to fuss about it, it is what it is. You know, like I don't think no one has crap to talk if they're not a funded trader. Like I'm an actual funded trader, so like I have my own bias, my own negatives. They're not like serious negatives where like I'm gonna be stopped trading with them. Obviously not. I'm obviously thankful for them. We have some bullish divergence here. There's just been ranging like off this pivot right over here. Just ranging. Yeah, they allow you to trade gold on the platform. But it's the easiest way to lose an account, to lose a challenge. A lot of people just trade gold with no like actual, they're not even a professional or profitable trader. Trading gold is the easiest way to actually just break the rules on the challenge, like the max daily loss or the max daily loss. I mean the max account loss or the max daily loss or whatever. I don't even trade gold. Gold's just too undecisive for me. Today, Nasdaq's been indecisive as well today. I mean, this week specifically. I think this is the first week in a long time that I've seen it be kind of indecisive. Which, you know, it could be why. It's one of the reasons could be because of the elections coming up. Here's he's doing his thing. To answer your question, Nick, you know, it's you can never really tell. Like, you can never really predict where price action is gonna actually fall to, or what the dollar is gonna actually do. Like, we as traders, we're just supposed to react on things. You know, so like with the EU, like, it's just been bullish. Like, from right over here, what I've been seeing, comes up, makes a structural higher low on the 1 hour. If we go on the 1 hour, higher low. If we go to the 4 hour, it's more decisive, higher low, right over here. And we're about to break off the previous zones right over here. So we'll have to see if it actually breaks through it, or, you know, basically fails to break, and then, you know, the D2 idea starts to kind of transition right over there and starts to fall all the way down. But I mean, these are kind of major support, major resistance right over here. So I do expect some kind of maybe a pullback from these levels. But I'm always bullish on the dollar. There's no reason to be. I mean, it's just the Fed. Literally, like, unless, I mean, obviously, like, I'm bearish on stocks and stuff like that, but it's just like, it'll make sense to be bearish on the dollar. But it's just, I'm not, like, it's hard. You can't even predict anything with the Federal Reserve buying billions of dollars in bonds, buying billions of dollars in stocks, buying billions of dollars in corporate debt. It's just unstoppable. Like, and the US dollar is the most held currency in the world, and just I don't think it's never gonna stop. So the Federal Reserve is just literally chunking massive amounts of stimulus to the economy, even though, you know, inflation is eventually going to kick it down, as, you know, as the dollar starts decreasing over time. With all that money that we spend, we spend over trillions of dollars on the stimulus, on everything. So eventually a dollar will decrease in value, but it's not happening like right now. So for me, it's not no point to be bearish on it as of yet. And it's the most held currency in the world, so there's a lot of demand for it. Whenever there's a lot of demand, you know, it's just basically the Federal Reserve is just an unstoppable machine, because there's a lot of demand for it. Everyone wants a piece of the dollar because it's the most held currency, and transactions are mostly known to be used by the dollar. So it's just, you know, when a lot of people are carrying that dollar in their pockets, even though inflation kicks it down, the Federal Reserve has demand. So it makes them literally become like an unstoppable machine, because everyone wants the dollar. Everyone, like like corporations, businesses, small businesses, people all over the world, multiple countries, everyone wants the dollar. So they have more control onto it. So even though, like, something like the dollar may decrease in value over time, the Federal Reserve just has a lot of power in their hands because of all the demand that's in the world right now. So if you think about it, like, demand is, you know, the supply could literally be endless for them because they just keep on printing money, but the demand could be just as high because literally everyone wants the dollar. So it's just they're unstoppable. They're literally like a freaking god if you think about it, because, you know, like, everyone wants the dollar no matter what. They want to hold dollars, they want to have assets in dollars, they want just almost all the transactions are made are from the dollars, from dollar. For what about indices? I would say with indices, it takes a professional trader to have a lot of experience to do well in indices. I'm just telling you guys that. So I've been trading indices for 4 years now, I've lost a lot of money with indices. Like, I think my biggest loss was like what, like $2,000, almost $2,000 on indices, and this wasn't even right now. Like this was like 2 years ago, when like, you know, I didn't have a lot of capital, so $2,000 was a lot to me. Yeah, the Federal Reserve is just too unstoppable. You can't fight the Fed. No one can. Like no one has control of trillions of dollars like that. No one does. They're literally, they're not God, but gosh, they literally are the trading gods. Even though I like Chairman Powell, like he's literally freaking idol to me. He's such a funny dude too. It's just like the stuff that he said, and everyone should be watching those meetings if you guys are actually concerned in trading, like for long-term investing and just like trading in general as a business and as his job, full-time job. But man, Powell, like, we're saying some stuff where, like, you know, just buying a bunch of stuff and saying, you know, this is not going to affect anything in the long term. Well, obviously it's going to affect something in the long term. You know, like, we've just literally bought trillions of dollars in stimulus and stocks or whatever. Like, it's going to affect something somehow in the future. He's a smart guy. Of course, he's a freaking genius, but I think just saying that nothing's gonna happen in the future it's overstating it a bit. We have just too much stuff going on right now, and the world's gonna be changed forever. Literally, like, the world is changed forever. Like, with the coronavirus, like, you know, it's not gonna be the same. So NASDAQ, even though we got bullish divergence, it looks like it's falling today. Just barely though. Just reject off that level right there. Huh, interesting. Maybe we can find a scalp off that momentum real quick. Bullish divergence is hitting it right here for level 3. Crud. Alright guys, so if you guys don't know, voter verification The challenge ends today. Wait, is it today? No, wait. No, today's the 9th day. So today is the 9th trading day finally. So once I place a trade today, I think I'll be done for the challenge. Literally be done by like Thursday, tomorrow. So that's, which is freaking nuts. I love it. And I cannot wait. Finally, after like a long freaking time, like literally like just a couple of days. It hasn't even been that long, but I've just been freaking like impatient. But finally, I'm gonna be able to take the verification part and hopefully get that funded as soon as I can. Like I want to get funded before the end of this month. I don't know. Maybe that's a huge goal. I don't know. I just don't feel as confident now in being aggressive. Maybe just because it's been a little bit of choppiness on the Nasdaq. So I'm gonna just take a step down for the Nasdaq 100, at least for the verification part. Just because I haven't seen anything that I like on the 1 hour. Alright, so we do have bullish divergence here, so that is good. It's just been so choppy and ranging, which I don't like. So whenever I see choppiness, I just like to go in the higher time frames and just get that market noise out of the way. 4 hour, you know, liquid 50 is falling. Just anything significant. 4 hour, 8 hour. We're off that 50 EMA. So the point is, when are we going to make kind of a higher low, or we're just going to break through the low, through these levels, and make like a lower high? I don't think we're going to make a lower high. But we're holding 21 EMA today. So I want to see what we do today. I'm bullish on it. Even though liquid 50 is in the sell zone today, I'm still bullish on it. So I like how the liquid 50 is starting to kind of have that pullback right there. That's maybe a good sign, especially on the daily chart, as each candle is one day. So I'm just expecting a higher low off this level, some momentum off this level. It's just been choppy the last couple of 2 days, 3 days, like since Monday, in which I don't like whenever it's that choppy. I try to stay out of the markets whenever it's that choppy. Monday it was just nothing really clean. Yesterday, just not clean at all. Like, it's just literally ranging. My system won yesterday, but I just didn't even take any trades. It's not worth it for me whenever you want to get chopped out. My system won on Monday, but I just didn't take anything. Just about being really smart about it. So I want to look at the 1 hour and see what we do here. I think we're going to bounce off the 8 hour 50 EMA, hopefully. The EU is trying to pull back right now. For the D2 idea on EU, you just gotta have confluence. Like, it's overbought, so maybe, yeah, it's off an extreme level, but look at the higher time frames, bro. Like, it's holding the 8 EMA. I don't see no weakness right there. 1 hour, it's clearly bullish, even though we're coming off an extreme low, extreme overbought. Not really extreme. Like, I've seen the RSI go be nuts. Literally, freaking Brexit. Whenever I first started out trading, I traded a lot of JP pairs and I lost a lot of money. Like, the RSI went to literally like freaking, I think the highest I've seen was literally like 100. Literally, it went just all the way up, and you couldn't even see the RSI anymore. It's just insane. I actually like the 1 hour. If we fall down to 21 EMA for kind of an A1 entry, I will like that. 4-hour. Liquid 50, like, ignore all the EMAs. What are the 8 and 21 EMAs doing? They're obviously in an upshift, so they're holding the 8 EMA. That's a bullish sentiment. Liquid 50 is in the sell zone, for sure. But it's rising like that with momentum. Whenever you see something like rising like that, that's so sketchy. Like, especially that. What the heck? That's literally like a full V shape trying to go rocket up to the stars. Like that. Look at that. That's such a clean liquid 50. Like, literally just trying to go up. So maybe we'll expect to pull back from that D2 just to, who knows, somewhere small, because on the higher time frames it does look like there's more strength on Euro USD. So I doubt that there's going to be a significant pullback. Liquid 50 is still in the buy zone. It's starting to pull back a little bit up. DTO is pulling back up. What is this? So, in my opinion, even though Liquid 50 is falling, not do this? What is the snap control? Yes, that's what I'm doing. Bro. It's so annoying when sometimes like TradingView doesn't work properly. TradingView has so much potential to just do great things, but they're not taking advantage of everything that they should. Like if TradingView really wants to compete with MetaTrader, like not MetaTrader 4, but just 10x it, I think they should really make like an actual platform, not a web platform, with like really good back testing. Bro, TradingView, sometimes you just, I pay like freaking like $100, and you guys disappoint me sometimes. Bro, alright, I'm done. What do I do? What? Alright. Alright, so we'll see right over here. I'm up 10% already. I mean, I'm up 10.2% actually. I already passed like the profit target. I'm just waiting. Like I'm not even bothering to like trade even more because I'm just trying to get this account funded. Another account funded. Let's go. That's interesting. It's really interesting. We're making a higher low right over here. Very interesting. So I'm gonna trade for. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it fall and see what we do off this level right over here. Alright. I don't like how like 50's doing that. It's fine. It's hard to freaking drawing it. It's just hard, especially on the intraday chart. Maybe going for a swing trade idea, but we'll see what we do here. But yeah, Jonah. Today's gonna be my last day. I'm pretty sure. Well, technically, so by Friday I should be having my FTMO, the verification, because it is the 9th day. So once I place this trade today, at 4 p.m., it'll be the 10th day. So hopefully FTMO does their thing. I get the verification done, and then yeah. Do you guys think I should go ham on it? Because now I'm funded with $150,000. So do you guys think I should go ham on it and, you know, try passing it on Friday, the verification? So it's only a matter of time, because I passed the challenge in in less than an hour. Like 45 minutes I passed the profit target. So it could be only fair that I passed the verification in about an hour too. It's definitely possible, 5%. It's pretty easy. But I don't know. I don't think I want to risk it, to be honest. Just because I don't know. Just like the only reason why I did that's, you know, kind of a riskier setup was on the challenge was because profit target it's always going to be the hardest thing, one of the hardest things in the challenge. So that's why I chose to do that. But verification, it's pretty easy, so I shouldn't have to worry about anything like that. I'll just take my time on it. But it would be kind of a cool content idea. Passing the FTMO challenge, passing the whole FTMO account challenge or whatever for like within 1 hour. Looks like we're falling here. I just want to show you guys this real quick. Oops, what happened? Alright, I just want to show you guys real quick here. FTMO account. Minimum trading days 9, so almost 10. If we can get this with account to verification by by tomorrow, then we can start the verification. So, is what it is. So we kind of have an idea on this on the Nasdaq 100. We'll see what we do here. Ooh. Where's my risk? Risk. I'm gonna go 0.25. We're gonna add in slowly. Alright, cool. I'll add in once I see more confirmation. Let's see if this next candle goes bullish. A small candle swap, I don't know. I need to make a video for you guys. Sorry about that. I've been so kind of chilling last couple of days. I was making a vlog yesterday, but I didn't finish it, so I'll probably finish it today. Maybe doing like a 2-day vlog. Or maybe just doing it a video for you guys, kind of a vlogging video. I'm not gonna really go to the gym today, which is quite unfortunate, but I have so much errands to do today. Too much errands to do. I gotta like return a bunch of Amazon items. Gotta get a haircut. But maybe after the haircut we can get, you know, we can go to the gym, film a YouTube video for you guys. I think I wanna. We'll see what we film today. It can just. It seems but kind of boring if I just go over like little trades that I took this week, because there weren't anything significant. Just small scalps, nothing really significant at all. So I think I just could make like a video idea for you guys. We'll see. EU. It's rejecting off that 50 EMA. We'll see what we do there. Looks like we're going up right over here. I'm in profit already, so we'll take our profits and leave, locking our stop at break even. Man. Yeah, price action is just choppy, waiting for the open. Bum, 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 bum. Are you ready for the market open? Bum, 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 bum. Oh my gosh. These people are dumb. Ooh, baby, we're in profit already. We're about to lock our stop. A break even in about a continuation of that candle. So, let's go, baby. based on my own key level, Mateo. It's not a D. This is not a D2 or D1. There's divergent D1 and D2s don't really work. Don't work at all. Like, they're not profitable long term. Well, according to my back testing. It's just there's too much indecision whenever it comes into these kind of trade ideas. I've seen the cleanest kind of D1 looking trade literally get chopped around at less than 1 R. Like right now, it's easy to trade Nasdaq. Well, it's been easy just because everything's going up. So whenever everything's going up, you just buy the dip, basically, and it's easy. But I'm more kind of trying to trade my system in harsh market conditions, so I know that it could be profitable in those harsh market conditions, because it's just like, other than that, like, who cares if it's making money whenever everyone's making money? I want to know if my edge, my advantage in the market helps me make money whenever others are not making money. That's a true edge. That is a freaking true edge right there. I'm gonna see if it retested the 8 EMA. I didn't lock my stop or break even just because but yeah, that's mostly what I try focusing on, being profitable whenever other people are not, when, you know, the market is literally the crappiest market condition in the world. That's the only thing that I really care about. Skipped? Are you kidding me? Anyways, but yeah, I just want to be more, like, trading for me is a long-term business. Like, I've been making consistent money on it for trading, so my only focus right now is just trying to, you know, maintain that profitability long term. Not just, you know, short term. I'm pretty good at it, but I want to make sure that I can do it long term. I wanted to say continuation of this candle, and then once I say continuation of this candle, I'm locking my stop at break even, so I can, it's a risk-free trade, and then just basically just letting it do its own thing or whatever. No, what happened to the music? Alright, locking my stop or break even right now. Stop loss locked at break even. Oops, I did not. No, it stopped at a break even. Alright, what an awesome trade. It's a really good trade. What a beautiful kind of a setup, going with the momentum on the intraday chart against the momentum on the 15-minute chart. What a beautiful trade. That's clean. That's a clean breakout right there. I haven't seen that of a clean breakout right as in like a long time. I'm gonna be closing. I'm about to hit my take profit, and I just hit my take profit. So I entered that trade a little bit early, but what a beautiful trade. I entered like right over here. Actually, like right there. Just what a beautiful trade. Don't you love seeing that? What an amazing freaking trade. We traded the Nasdaq 100 off a significant level, trading against the momentum on the intraday 15-minute chart, but trading with the momentum on the higher time frames as well as the 1 minute. So, as you can see right over here, we made about 2% on that trade. So, really awesome trade. It's just such a clean breakout, and I love seeing stuff like that. So, really clean trade. I'm glad, a lot of people in our VIP chat is like looking at EURUSD for kind of a short bias on it today. But it looks like EU right now just started to basically consolidate and then went all the way up. So we'll see what we do there from there. But really awesome, amazing trade right there. Alright guys, so alright guys, so freaking amazing trade. I'm gonna call it a freaking day. I closed out the major of my positions. I'm out. I'm done for the day. Yeah, I muted myself so I could do my Instagram stories. But anyway, so freaking awesome trade. I'm done for the day. Not done for the day. I'm still gonna trade the New York Open, but I gotta get ready for the New York Open, which is in about less than an hour or so. But it is what it is. It was amazing freaking trade. Like you guys saw it. Just it was a bit choppy at the end, but it was holding these levels, which I absolutely love. I was confident in the momentum because it was, it wasn't choppy momentum. It was kind of decisive momentum. So I love that, especially from right over here. The RSI value was just freaking great from right over here with this breakout. So just a clean breakout. Just, bullish engulfing flag. I mean, bullish flag right there, bull flag. And then just consolidated it all the way up. So just literally the same patterns over and over again in my system. It is what it is. If you're not trading a system, if you're not trading with A's effects, if you're not back testing your system, then what are you guys doing? The key to profitability is back testing, and putting so much work into it. Literally, like last night, I was back testing the whole night, getting ready for the FTMO verification. So, since I already have the profit target, I didn't take this trade on my verification. I only took this trade on my main account just because I really don't need to do anything anymore on the challenge, just because I really hit the profit target. So right now I'm just basically waiting. I could have traded on the challenge, but I just, again, like, I don't want to risk it. Like, I don't want to be in the profit target and then somehow by stupidity I'm not in the profit target anymore. So but it is what it is. Hopefully you guys are having a freaking awesome day, having a freaking awesome Wednesday. Happy Hump Day. Let me know if you guys need anything. Let me know if you have any questions. Direct message me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, guys. We're almost at 10.6K followers, so that's a good number. Subscribe. Check out my new video if you guys have not seen that. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, Thursday, 5 a.m. CST. I'll try to be there in time for tomorrow. But yeah, hopefully you guys are having a freaking awesome day. And without further ado, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow.